All right, today we're looking at another great piece of pre-owned equipment we've gotten finished up out of our service department. This is a Edwards Pearson 50-inch wide by 10 gauge capacity direct drive mechanical shear. Got single stroke operation as well as continuous stroke operation. Emergency stop. Got 25-inch rear operated manual back gauge. As well as manual blade gap adjustment with the levers on each side of the shear to adjust blade gap. So simple to operate, machine's on, so you're only hearing it when you're actually cycling it. So I'll switch it over to continuous stroke mode. Press, hold the pedal. Great feature when you need to cut a lot of drive cleat. Back gauge operation. There's our 1-inch strip that we just cut off. Simple back gauge adjustment. You've got inlaid scales for your measurement coming out to 650 millimeters or roughly 25.5 inches. And just hand crank that back. 2 handles to lock it in place. And then here you've got your blade gap adjustment. This is on both sides of the shear. So it's raising it up to push the blade gap in, getting it nice and snug to give you a good burr-free cut on your lighter material, or moving it to the downward position to open that up and ensure you don't jam the shear when you're cutting your thicker material. Motor and power on the shear, 7.5 horsepower, 575 volt, 3-phase power. 2 front support arms included, can be unbolted if need be. So for more information on this piece or any other great equipment we offer here, visit our website at empire-machinery.com.